How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop for another maintenance check on the Massey Ferguson GC2300. Today's little task, going to change the air filter. Now, why would we want to change an air filter in a tractor? It's in there, it's all closed up, it's probably not even dirty, right? Well, wrong. Air filters are probably the most important thing that you should check on your tractor. The air filter keeps contaminants out of the combustion chambers in the engine, and you don't want combustion, you don't want dirt in your combustion chambers, you don't want contaminants in there. It can plug injectors, it can score cylinders, it can do a lot of damage. So air filters is probably the most important thing you can check to make sure that your engine stays running well. So what we're up to today is we're going to change that. So wait till I change the camera around here so we can get a better look, and we'll take you through those steps. So under the engine hood of the Massey there lives an engine, a diesel engine, and this air cleaner box. To get at the air cleaner, we have to take this cover off the end of the box here. So to do that, there's a little strap that we'll just take off there. Okay, so once we get that strap off, then we pull this air horn out of here, and then you can see then that the box comes free, and then there's a couple of clips on it. We'll open that clip, and we'll open this clip. This is supposed to just pull right off. It will eventually. There we go. So it's good that it's tight, I guess. If you look in there, that's kind of dusty. So I think we're due to change it, that's for sure. So look at that. She's dirty. So we look in that box. It's hard to see, but it doesn't look too bad. I'm going to get a rag and clean it out. So we'll just wipe this down a little bit with the rag. So we did get a little bit of dirt out of that, if you can see that. I always like to compare them. Which one do you think is the old one? This is the new one. Anyway. Okay, so there's no top or bottom to these. So even a fool like me can get it right. So that just squeezes in there. As tight as we can get it. We'll clean out the top of the box. And there's also a little purge here. What that does is it allows water out of there, if water ever forms, condensation. So that's good and clear. So now this goes on. And then the clips go on. You can get them. Something like that. And then that sits back in its cradle, and this air horn goes back down where it belongs. And then this strap hooks on here and under there. Bob's your uncle. Okay, another maintenance task done. We've changed the air filter for our GC2300 diesel engine. Important job to do. You want to keep the air clean that's going into your engine so that it'll run smooth and reliably and for a long time, right? Alright. Wasn't a big job, pretty easy really, just pop, pop, click, click, shove, shove, twist, twist, next thing you know, you're done. So hope you liked the video, pretty quick little one here on maintenance on the tractor. So click like if you liked it, click subscribe if you haven't done so already, and thanks for tuning in to Grampie's workshop, folks, and we'll talk to you.